you had enough money to restore the economic power of Haiti, what would be your top 3 priorities?
Si mta gen l'argent pour m'aider Haïti.
Pendant ce temps, Haïtien a mouru.
And last but not least, it would have to be sleep.
What? And did I just gulp? Who does that? My name is Vanessa Bateau, and I'm Haitian American. Since I was born, I used these 2 words to describe myself without even knowing what it meant to be Haitian.
The United States had the door open for immigrants. We heard the news that people could come over. None of my children haven't been to Haiti. It makes me feel a little bit guilty.
I went on a journey to discover my roots, to learn in essence what I'm really made of.
Media tends to pigeonhole Haiti, and it is supposed to be synonymous to poverty, gut-wrenching poverty, abject poverty. There's a lot of that here, for sure. And it's overwhelming, I must say, but that isn't the only thing.
I don't have a map, but I took my camera with me. This is my story. Enjoy.